Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a chromatic glow opening text on CapCut. So first you need to create a text video with a black background like this. Then open it in a new project. And after that you just need to go to video effects. Click on the lens category and then select the edge glow effect. Okay, this one, adjust the glow to your liking. I'm going to go with 15. Then click on the check icon. Now for the chromatic effect, just go to the video effects again. Find the glitch category and then select the chromatic effect. Then here adjust the effect to your liking. Okay, I'm going to just click on the check icon, and now for the cinematic effect you need to add a keyframe at the start of the text and then go to mask, click on film strip. Now rotate the masking and then drag the arrow to have a fade effect like this, and then drag the masking all the way to the top left corner. Okay, click on a check icon, go to the end of the text, add another keyframe and go to mask again, and now drag the masking all the way to the bottom right corner like this. Click on a check icon and this is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.